Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you've ever wondered how to post anonymously on a Facebook page, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I walk you through the simple and clear steps to do just that. Stick with me till the end to learn everything you need to know. Since we'll be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, let's start by ensuring everything is set up correctly. Open your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, search for Facebook and make sure you have the latest version installed for a seamless experience. Once done, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner or bottom right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Groups to locate the group where you want to post anonymously. Once you've found the group, tap on it to open it. Posting anonymously is straightforward. Simple tap on Write Something to start create your post. You can add text, images, tag people, or add locations as you wish. Once your post is ready to post it anonymously, toggle the switch at the top to enable anonymity. Then tap on Got It and proceed to tap on Post at the top right corner. That's the first message. The second message is even simple. Just go to the Facebook group and tap directly on Anonymous Post. Again, tap on Go It, compose your post, and tap on Post at the top right corner. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking it and drop any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them all. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.